Hello, this is Nonna Maria. I'm back with another video like I promised. My eggplant Parmigiana. My Sicilian eggplant Parmigiana. Anyway, after salt in the eggplant, let it rest for 15 minutes with a weight on top to take away the bitterness and the excess water. We fry the eggplant. This is our second batch. Okay, so they look like they're ready. We put it to drain on paper towel. Okay, I like this small eggplant. See, it's very little eggplant Parmigiana because we in Italy cut it lengthwise. Not round, they lengthwise. Okay? Now you put a little sauce. Thank God my sauce was ready already. That's why I did it before. Little sauce on the bottom. And you start putting the eggplant, which they're not a lot, on the dish. Let me get it with my hand, it's easier. Just to cover them. Yummy. Nice and cold from the refrigerator, they the best. After they rest, they are the best. I don't like eggplant Parmigiana hot. We eat it cold. There you go. So let's get rid of that. Now, we pour some sauce. Also, I don't like when I see in restaurants, which that's not my cup of tea, I'm sorry. Not because I want to be mean, but to me, eggplant Parmigiana, it's only this way. With the ricotta, provolone, 70 million cheeses, and mozzarella, nah. And full of sauce, like they swimming on it. They're not supposed to swim on it. This is the only way it goes. See? You cover them a little bit. Now, Parmigiano Reggiano, freshly grated. Oops. This Parmigiano comes from Parma, Italy, where they make the Parmigiano Reggiano. Oh my God, I can't do without. I'm sorry, people. Not Parmesan, the one on the green can. This is the real thing. I think I posted already what it looks like. Okay. My basil is a little mushy, but that's okay. I had to save it. This is what I had. Usually it's just bought fresh basil. Same thing. That's okay. We get rid of this. Now we put a little black pepper. And here it is. See, I was in line. This is the real Parmigiano Reggiano from Parma, Italy. 36 months Love it. And voila, here is my eggplant Parmigiana. Now we're gonna put it in the refrigerator because like I said, I like it cold. We all like it cold. Okay, till next recipe with Nonna Maria. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Nonna Maria 1433. Love you all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you until next time. La próxima ricetta. Ciao.